In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to convert a currency inside of Interactive Brokers. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Interactive Brokers like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to log into your account and go into the portfolio page. Then from here, you'll see an overview of all of your existing currency that you already have inside of your portfolio. Now from here, you'll need to choose any portfolio or any crypto that you want to convert over to another currency. So let's just click base right here and then click convert currency right here. From here, this page should be popping up, right? See currency conversion. From here, you'll need to go over here to where it says convert from, and then you'll need to choose the specific currency that you want to trade from to convert to, and then you can choose the specific one. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can do for Canadian dollars into USD. So from here, you'll just need to go up here to from and choose Canadian dollars or any other currency, and then from to, you'll need to choose USD, which is one of the last ones down here. Once from here, you're going to need to choose the specific number that you want to convert. So let's just say I want to convert €1 to USD or $1 Canadian to USD. And then from here, you'll need to click submit conversion order. From here, you'll be able to see here that an order has been created, submitted, and the order is filled down here in the right hand corner. From here, you can go out and then from here, see that you have the USD inside of your portfolio page. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!